Check out this client's DWC40 model diesel wood chipper. This 29 kilowatt, 40 horsepower model can shred its way through up to 200 mm diameter material. MCM offers the option to register our DWC-Series chippers for the road, making these wood chippers the ideal income stream. The DWC40 features a self-feeding system, powerful blades, and a straightforward, robust build, ensuring your site performance is pushed to new levels. Get in touch with MCM's team for your wood chipper requirements. We also sell PTO models, being powered by virtually all tractors. Let's get the job done. Choose MCM.